What's going on, Whipsy TV family? Coach Lee, the car culture commentator, here with today's breaking news report. Today we have a true breaking news report. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and brace yourselves because Porsche just dropped a bombshell. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS has hit the scene and it's rewriting the playbook on road legal performance cars. So if you thought you knew fast, you better think again because this new Porsche 911 GT3 RS doesn't just break records, it smashes them with a big old titanium hammer.
Damn!
But listen, before we get into today's breaking news report, I need you to stop what you're doing and I need you to like this video. I need you to leave us a comment. I need you to subscribe to the channel and most importantly, hit that post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of the amazing content and events and everything we've got coming. Can you do that for me right quick? You got me? All right, cool.
The new 911 GT3. The heart of the GT3, it is still as it should be. A high-revving, naturally aspirated engine, 4 liters, 9,000 RPM, 510 horsepower. This time, however, coupled to a gearbox with 8% shorter gear ratios, similar to a 911 ST special model. 8% shorter gear ratios means more traction in every situation. But that's not all. The entire car is a little tighter in terms of styling than its predecessor, with aerodynamic revisions, particularly non-visible ones in terms of the gearbox and drive shaft cooling, but also in terms of brake cooling. We see the car here with an option package, the Weissach package, familiar from the RS models, for the first time now also available in the normal 911 GT3. Many carbon elements. It starts with the air blades in the front and continues to the mirrors, the side blades of the rear wing, and finally the interior.
The new 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is powered by a 4.2-liter flat-six engine that screams to a spine-tingling 9,500 RPM redline. With 550 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque, this naturally aspirated beast delivers a visceral experience. Forget turbos. Porsche's engineers have achieved an almost mystical level of power without them. Strap in, gang, because here's what you need to know. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3 seconds flat. Top speed, 198 miles per hour. Lap time on the Nürburgring, that's sub 6 minutes and 58 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars to ever conquer the green hell. But listen, family, it's not just about the raw numbers. It's the way this car dances through the corners that sets it apart. With rear axle steering, active aero, and a 7-speed PDK transmission fine-tuned for rapid-fire shifts, the GT3 RS handles like a dream on steroids. Every vent and every fin and even the wing serves a purpose. The massive rear wing is not just for show, family. It provides over 1,900 pounds of downforce at 186 miles an hour. The lightweight body, crafted from a mix of carbon fiber reinforced plastics and aluminum, ensures that every ounce counts. Plus, for the hardcore racing guys, Porsche is offering a Y-Sack package with even more weight savings and exposed carbon fiber for that maximum flex. 2025 GT3 RS doesn't just show up to the hypercar party, it flips the tables. Let's stack it against some of the heavyweights. Number 1, the 2024 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Top speed, 273 miles an hour. 0 to 60, 2.4 seconds. The Chiron is a top speed demon, but it weighs as much as a small planet. The GT3 RS, while slower in a straight line, would leave that Bugatti chasing its tail on a twisty track day. Number 2, the 2024 McLaren 765 LT Spider. Top speed, 205 miles an hour. 0 to 60, 2.8 seconds. Close, but the Porsche's handling finesse and aerodynamics give it the edge where it matters most, on the tarmac. Number 3, Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. Top speed, 200 miles an hour. 0 to 60, 1.99 seconds. Yeah, electric speed is impressive, but can it give you the goosebumps through the corners, right? The GT3 RS delivers the thrills that no EV on the road can ever match.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
You're fired.
The Porsche 911 GT3 RS has a storied history that dates back to its debut in 2003 as a track-focused iteration of the already formidable 911 GT3, designed for purists. The RS badge, short for Rennsport, German for racing sport, signifies an unrelenting commitment to performance and precision. Over the years, the GT3 RS has evolved through meticulous engineering, shedding weight, increasing downforce, and sharpening its handling with every generation. From the 997's lightweight magnesium roof to the 991's radical aero, the GT3 RS has always been a pioneer in blending race-ready technology with road-legal practicality. The 2025 model continues this legacy, pushing the boundaries and setting new benchmarks for what a naturally aspirated sports car can achieve in a turbo-dominated world. When it comes to the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, price is not just a number, it's a statement of intent. With a starting price expected to be around $250,000, the 2025 GT3 RS is undoubtedly a significant investment. But Porsche enthusiasts already know this isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about value, legacy, and the unquantifiable thrill of driving a machine built to dominate roads and racetracks alike. Now, compared to its predecessors, the 2025 model delivers unprecedented value. The 997 GT3 RS set the tone with its lightweight design and naturally aspirated precision. The 991 pushed boundaries with its advanced aero and race-proven pedigree. But this latest iteration, however, redefines the formula by delivering a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. A larger 4.2-liter engine, a staggering 1,900 pounds of downforce, and cutting-edge lightweight materials, all while maintaining its unmistakable 911 DNA. Porsche's 2025 911 GT3 RS is a masterclass in how to blend raw performance with engineering precision. It's a love letter to the driving purist, a track weapon you can legally drive home, and quite possibly the most exhilarating 911 yet. So if you're pulsating racing by now, you need to check your vitals and then head straight to Porsche's main channel to watch this full reveal. Trust me, family, you'll want to see every curve, hear every roar, and drool over every detail of this new masterpiece. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here on Whipsy TV for all the latest in automotive news, reviews, and everything else. Listen, we've got you covered with the fastest cars, the hottest takes, and a whole lot of fun. Well, all right, family, stay tuned for more updates and other breaking news right here on Whipsy TV Breaking News. And remember, at Whipsy TV, we bring you the stories that matter to the car culture all the time, every time. All right? So that's it for today's Whips and TV Breaking News Report. I'm Coach Lee, the car culture commentator, wishing each and every one of you guys a great rest of your day. And as always, I'm urging you to keep your dreams in the fast lane. Drive safe and stay inspired. I'll talk to y'all soon, man. Peace. Listen, guys, if you're locked outside of the banking system for whatever reason, and you're still using Chime, Cash App, and other off-brand platforms because you can't get a checking account, this is for you. Listen, imagine a world where no one is excluded from financial opportunity. Today, you have a chance to change your financial future, even if life has dealt you a few setbacks. Welcome to secondchancebanking.online, powered by SoFi, where your fresh start begins right now. Have you ever faced challenges getting approved for a bank account? Tired of the sorry but we can't help you messages? Then let us introduce you to the breakthrough program you've been waiting for. SoFi, a financial powerhouse, trusted by over 5 million users and top rated on Trustpilot, offers second chance banking to help you start over, regardless of your credit history. With SoFi, you get access to a fully loaded banking service that opens doors, not closes them. Why choose secondchancebanking.online? Because this isn't just a bank account. It's a path to rebuilding and reaching your financial goals. Here's what they can offer you. Legit and secure direct deposit. Say goodbye forever to frustrating maintenance fees. With secondchancebanking.online and SoFi, you keep your money where it belongs, in your account. High interest savings. Earn up to 4.20% APY on your savings when you set up a direct deposit, one of the highest rates in the industry. No overdraft fees. That's right, no overdraft fees. And no surprise penalties when life happens. FDIC insured up to $2 million. Your money is safe with SoFi. This protection gives you the confidence to build your savings with peace of mind. Real financial guidance. Get access to SoFi's financial planning resources and tools, empowering you to make informed money moves. And of course, you get the cash rewards for everyday actions. From managing your bills to building credit, you earn points redeemable for cold hard cash. So listen, gang, if you're tired of just getting by, tired of just making do, it's time to get ahead. SoFi's Second Chance Banking was built with you in mind, giving you every tool you need to climb that financial ladder. Imagine your life without the stress of banking fees or judgment based on past mistakes. SecondChanceBanking.online offers you a real shot at a financially secure future with every one of their features designed to help you succeed. So, don't let your past hold you back. Within just a few clicks, you can join the millions of people who've already made the switch to SoFi's trusted financial solutions via secondchancebanking.online. So listen, y'all, take control. Start today. Reclaim your financial freedom with secondchancebanking.online. Take action. Build a future you're proud of. Visit secondchancebanking.online or just click the link in the comments section below. And let's make your comeback story a reality. SoFi's commitment to providing transparent, reliable financial services has made it a leader, especially for those working to overcome some financial challenges. Their innovative tools, high-paying interest rates, and customer-first approach makes them the ideal solution for your financial comeback. So here's what I want you to do next. Log on to www.secondchancebanking.online. Register for a new Second Chance Banking account via SoFi and make your first small deposit, and bam, you enter a whole new world of acceptance, savings, prosperity, and financial freedom just like that. Easy is 1, 2, 3. No stress, no struggle. Actually, gang, I personally bank with SoFi, and it's the best checking and savings account I've ever had. So listen, gang, don't stay stuck sitting outside in the cold without a proper bank account. Log on to www.secondchancebanking.online right now and get set up with a new banking account today. You'll be so glad you did.
Heard y'all looking for the best. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. I be all up in my space. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. Heard y'all looking for the smoke. Vin I key like every time you look up Stitch. This that heat. This that